Today is my pleasure to recommend a very new, very hot sale item to you, and we call it car repair toolkit. You see, this box is very strong, very durable, and I show you how strong it is. I'm 80 kgs. You see, nothing happened. And here, the back side of this box is a rolling triangle. It's very helpful in the emergency situation. Okay, we open the case, see what's inside. One electric cable, one pair of gloves, impact wrench, extension bar, instruction manual, and 3-in-1 electric jack. And also another one is 4 meters cable. The impact wrench is very strong, high torque. It's 380 Newton meters. It's very strong, very easy to change the tires. Turn left and turn right. And here is a LED light. Again, I will show you amazing electric jack. And you can see that the design is very smart, very comfortable. And it has 3 functions. The first function is air compressor. The second function, 3 functions. First one, air compressor. Second one, LED light. There are 2 LED. This one, another one. And the third function is the electric jack. We have 2 extension bar. The shorter one, the height is 35 centimeter. Maybe you have a P-car, or maybe you have SUV, you have big cars. So we can use another extension bar. It's 45 centimeters. It's almost can suit it for your every car. Okay, that's what I want to recommend to you today. You trust we can? We ensure your safety. My name is Abel. Thank you.